What are you looking at?
A corgi.
Oh no, it's Crazy Bird. There.
Give me the comb. You have? Yes. When? Before. Oh, well, why were you even looking if you'd seen it?
Smile, Mom. It's a video. I'm waiting for that little bird. Come on, little bird. Isaac, take a few steps backwards. So he will become brave and fly to his house. This bird. Come on, little fart.
It's a big worm.
You both.
Here's Zoe in Greece.
Come on, you little poop. There you go. I'm getting closer.
If you like ticks, then you'll love global warming.
Oh, for Christ's sake, I'm getting old here. Forget it. The dog stands aloof. Abby! Hello! Say, I'm Abby. Da 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 da.